Hey guys, we are back in the park with the cuter fit. You know what I'm saying? It's cuter unzipped, but it's really cold. I'm trying to make sure no one's following me, but it's really cold. And I was like, guys, I'm bored. I don't know what to do when I'm home, so I made cookies. And now I'm walking in the park. I'm gonna turn around soon. You know, this is what we got going on. So yeah, I like going to the park, if y'all couldn't tell. You know, a babe can never escape New York. I'm sorry, keep looking over that. She can never escape New York. I will come back better than ever, and yeah, she's gonna be a baddie when she comes back. She's gonna be a baddie when she comes back. Okay, I was recording. Oh my god, I look like I'm crying because it's just so cold. Look at the lighting, how pretty. It's so freaking cool. Oh my god. But look at my shoes. But oh my Jesus, it's cold. It's very cold, and I feel awkward because people are like in the park running and walking their dogs, and I'm just here in a cute fit. But you know, oh well, and I'm also freezing my ass off. I am never against sitting on the ground. I will sit on the ground. If I could sit on the public New York City trains, I can sit on this grass. I'm very scared. I low-key feel like shallow because I'm just here taking pics because I'm feeling epic. It's so pretty. Wow. Oh. I don't know what else to go to because like I'm cold and I have to come out again to get my braces tightened. I think I'm getting rubber bands. I ripped my baby tooth out. Yes, at my ripe age of 16, I had lost my last baby tooth. I know. But
it's just a bunch of hocus pocus.
okay. This is the fit. Got my Uggs. Where are we? Who would buy them? Type 1 in the chat if you're and type 1 in the chat if you would buy my used Uggs. Look at this tree. This tree is really pretty. Oh, I guess this is my second video. Might as well do like a little Q&A. I'm gonna go up actually. A little small Q&A. My name is Michaela or Ruth, either or. Ruth R-U-T-H. And I'm 16 now. I'm almost 17. I'm very scared to be 17 because I like the number 16, but 16 was the best year maybe. Well, what do I know? Pretty. Super pretty. You've seen it. Super cute. But yo, where's the next circle? I see the next circle. It's right there. I have to go all the way around. Or I could go through these. Can I go through these bushes? Okay, I am back home. I've been home for a while actually, but I didn't make an outro. I got power chains on the bottom and then like normal ones on the top. So my teeth hurt. They've been hurting for a couple of days. And I'm just cozy and I drank tea and it's been a good night. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. The next video should be cooler. Peace.